Hi, this is Cho-Z and I'm responding to my channel. This video is called the unboxing of the Nintendo DS Beyblade Metal Masters, exclusive at GameStop and EB Games. Exclusive top, back shin shroomish, 90 wide flat. This is a very nice top, exclusive at GameStop and EB Games. And I will show you the back of it. I explained to you before, it has over 30 characters. Shows the top again, and it just shows you the characters that you can play as. Like I said before, back in Shroomish. Now I will open the box. Open the game. I'll just get everything out first. I'll put it all for you can see. It just shows you the instructions, the volumes, and the instruction book for the game. Here's the game for the Beyblade Metal Masters, back shin shroomish, 90 wide flat. Now I'll get this off first. There we go. I'll put them on order for you. Now I will put the sticker on the face. Just get one out. Metal face, and there we go. This is how it looks like with the sticker on the face. Now I'll get the next one out. The first sticker, now for the other side. There. Now, where else do I put it? Where else do, there. I put it here. Here. Now I put for the other side. Well, let's put it here. And the same thing for the other side. Yeah. Last, now the other stickers. I'll put them here and here. Same thing I'll do for the other side. And here, get the other one, and there. And here. I'll put all the parts together. With the performance tip. And voila, you got back shin shroomish. And it's an attack type. Here's the front of it. And I'll show you the back of it. And this is different from XF, which stands for extreme flat. Wide F is just a bigger performance tip. Here's the bay once again. The toolbar, and the stickers. This is the end of our unboxing. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.